The OnStage SS7914B wall mount bracket comes as a matched pair, giving you a tidy, stand-free way to get two speakers up on the wall for clean stereo coverage in small to medium rooms. Its heavy-gauge steel build feels reassuringly solid and is rated to handle small speakers up to 80 pounds each without wobble when installed correctly. Installation is straightforward for typical home or venue setups, since the brackets include hardware for mounting into wooden studs behind drywall. If you are working with masonry, the design also accepts standard concrete-rated anchors, so it can be adapted to more permanent installations in clubs, bars, or churches. The integrated pole fits common speaker sockets and ships with an adapter sleeve, so it works with both standard 1 3/8 inch and 1 1/2 inch mounting cups. A tough black finish resists chipping and rust while keeping the brackets visually low-key, so the audience notices the sound more than the hardware.